What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today, guys, sorry, I'm dripping. Today, I am going to be doing something that I've been talking about for a minute. I don't know if you guys remember or not, but periodically I'll mention that I want to do a twist out using grease. So this is actually the She Scented Coriander Fig Hair Balm. It is rich, nourishing hair and scalp pomade. It has castor oil, coriander, and fig extracts in it, and it's for coarse and dry hair. So it doesn't necessarily say grease, but it is the texture of a hair grease, as you can see, a little bit thinner. It has avocado butter in it, olive oil, castor seed oil, blah, 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 blah. So it looks like it's a whole lot of oils and some extracts, and they're solidified, I guess, to kind of make a grease. So it is not the same type of, you know, Blue Magic or whatever that you would get in the store, but it's close. So I just want to see how this would work. It says rub a small amount between palms of hands, apply directly to dry hair, style as usual, great for twisted and braided styles. So I am not doing it on dry hair. I'm actually going to do it on wet hair because I just washed my hair. So I want to use it to kind of seal in the moisture that I already have in my hair. So that is how I'm going to use it. So right now I do have a leave-in in my hair, and the leave-in that I have in is the She Scented Royal Honey and Argan Oil by She Scented. And you guys know that I've already used that in the shampoo and did a review on it. So that is what I have in my hair right now. So oh, I said I was going to try to do flat twist. Do I want to do flat twist or a regular twist? Well, let's go ahead and just do regular twist. So I'm going to get a little bit of this. I don't know how much to get. I'm only going to get a little bit and rub it between my hands. No, I'm going to get a little bit more than that. I just don't want it to be greasy. And then I'm going to start twisting, and we're going to see how this works. Just something different. Just have been wanting to try it for a while. So what better time to do it than now? I'm going to put a little bit more on these ends just to help, you know, keep them together. So yeah, what better time to do it now since I don't really have... Well, I do have a few places to go, but no place that is real important that if my hair doesn't turn out right, I would be too disappointed. So we're just gonna see. Okay, so gonna do another one. Rubbing it between my hands, and it's thinning out. And we're going to twist. It looks like it's mixing quite well together, as you can see. So guys, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it all around my head, and I'll come back after I have all the twist in, and I'll show you what it looks like. And then I'm trying to decide if I want to sit under the dryer or not and try to dry it a little bit. If that's something that you should do, shouldn't do, I don't know. Maybe I'll let y'all put in the description box if you think I sat under the dryer or let it air dry. So anyway, I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am done twisting my hair with the She Scented Coriander Fig Hair Balm, which looks like this. Guys, it smells pretty good. It kind of smells like grease or oil, but it has a slight little sweet scent to it. I think I used more than I needed to. I wasn't sure how much to use, and I was putting it on, and because it's so thin and thins out so much, I was like, did it get on all of it? I couldn't tell, so then I'd add a little bit more, so my hair is probably gonna be a greasy mess. Who knows? Now it's time for you guys to think, am I gonna sit under the dryer or am I gonna let it air dry? Put down in the comments what you think I did, and I will come back when it's dry for the takedown, and we'll talk about how I like using this hair balm for a twist out, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I am back and my hair is dry. Now I'm gonna preface this right now and say that my hair has been through a lot since it's been in these twists. So it has had a hat on it a couple days and rubbed up against pillows without bonnets on it a couple days and so forth. So anyway, just want to let you know that. However, I am going to go ahead and just start taking out these twists. And remember, I used the She Scented Coriander and Fig hair balm that looks like this to twist my hair. So that is what's in my hair, along with a leave-in. And the leave-in I used was the Royal Honey and Argan leave-in by She Scented as well. It looks like this. This is a new one. The other one is downstairs, but that is what it looks like. So that is what I have in my hair under this hair balm. So we're gonna go ahead and take these twists out, and just for the sake of time, I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up. So I'll be back.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. You set my wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean, I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you, I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
Whew. Okay guys, so that's pretty much all the fluffing that I'm going to do. So the first thing that I want to let you know is that my hands are greasy. If you can see that, there definitely is grease on my hands, and that is to be expected because I used grease, right? So I'm not going to discount that or say, you know, too much more about that. What I will say is my hair is very soft. It's very movable. It has some shine to it. It smells good, but it's not overly scented or anything. I will say when my hair was drying that it did not feel real greasy. The days that it was drying, I actually went and got a massage from my cousin for my birthday. If you guys didn't know, my birthday was September 5th, and she gave me a massage on September 6th. So that's why I said my hair was under hats. My hair was on pillows with no satin, you know, cap or anything. I mean, I didn't think to take my satin bonnet with me, you know, because my head was going to be laying back on her bed and stuff like that. So it has gotten some wear while it was in the twist. However, I still felt like the twist kept up well under those conditions. I still feel like I got a lot of definition. Now, the more that I separate, the more frizz comes, but for the most part, I did get the definition from this, so I'm not mad at that. I mean, I have a lot of definition and my hair feels really good, and you can feel the definition in it. There is no hold. I don't feel a crunch. I don't feel any type of cast on my hair whatsoever. So will this last? That's to be seen, because there just is no hold. Is this something that I would do again? I got clumps under here. I might, because what I found is that it dried quickly, and I found that it, you know, even though I had it under hats and stuff like that, the twist didn't look real frizzy. They didn't dry out real quickly because the oil is protecting it and not zapping all the moisture out of my hair when I was not using satin. So I think that that's a plus. I mean, I have it on hand, so I might do it again. The grease, I think I used too much, and I said that in the previous clips. I said, guys, I may have used too much of this because it was just so light that I added more and more, and so that I can say that I probably used too much. I didn't have it like rolling down my neck or anything like that. Oh, I did say, let me know in the comments whether you think I sat under the dryer or not. I did not. I thought about it, and then I was like, nope, let me just see what it does on its own. So I did let it just air dry, did not sit under the dryer at all, and I do feel like it dried fairly quickly. I felt like I could have taken my twist down yesterday and I would have been fine, but I went on and left them up like I normally do and took them out today. I almost didn't take them out today, but it dries fairly quickly. It gives you, you know, shine. It does give you frizz. You can definitely see the frizz coming on, and there is no hold. So I don't know how long it's gonna last. I would not suggest this for someone who knows that they want to get 7 days out of their twist out. Someone who likes a little bit of hold and likes to feel that hold. I wouldn't suggest this because you don't have that, but you do have the definition. I would suggest this for someone who wants to do a twist out, needs their hair to dry quickly, and then pull it out and get nice fluffy twist out for 1 or 2 days, and then you can wash your hair. That's what I would recommend it for. So I like the fluffiness of it. I like the look of it. I like the softness of it. Don't necessarily like the grease, but if I do it again, I'll try to use less, see if that makes a difference. But this definitely would be if I just need to do a really quick twist out and don't have 2 days for my hair to dry, because I'm telling you, my hair normally takes at least 2 days to dry with a twist out, using a leave-in and a twisting cream, or a leave-in and a gel or something like that. But with just the leave-in and this light grease, it seemed like it dried a lot quicker. So yeah, that's it, guys. Let me know what you think. Do you like this twist out? Do you like the look of it? Have you tried grease before for a twist out? What results did you get? Have you ever tried the She Scented Coriander Fig Hair Balm? Let me know what you thought about it. Will you try it? Like I said, it has a nice subtle scent. So, and I probably used too much, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Okay guys, I'm back, and this is day 4 of this twist out using the She Scented Coriander Fig Hair Balm. So yeah, this is it. Day 4 still has a lot of definition and still a little bit greasy. I am going to go ahead and wash it today. Of course, I could go more days, but I'm gonna go ahead and wash it just because I don't like the greasy feel, and I want to go ahead and get that off my strands. Would I suggest this or any grease for that matter for a twist out? I probably wouldn't suggest it. Let me rephrase it. If someone asked me if they can do it, I would say yes, it can be done. If that's all someone can afford is grease and they have natural hair and they want to twist out, yes, go ahead and give it a try. Just make sure that you cleanse your hair with sulfates, with clarifiers, with something to make sure that you get that grease off your strands when you clarify your hair, so you don't get a whole lot of buildup. But for me, it worked. Now, because I know you're gonna ask, in the evenings, because my hair did frizz up on the ends when you go out to the elements, it will, you know, frizz a little bit. In the evenings, I did do like I always do. I grab a big chunk of my hair and I just twisted it up in big chunks like this, just to keep it somewhat stretched and to keep the ends from getting too frizzy. And then in the mornings or during the day, I would just take it out. So I didn't add any more oil. And be careful, because I did notice too, like now I have to pull these apart. I did notice too that my ends, because they are so loose, that they did tend to try to tangle on each other. So do be careful of that. But other than that, yeah, I would just take it out and fluff it up, and this is it. I didn't add any more product. I didn't twist it in little bitty sections trying to get the definition or anything. All this definition is definition that I had on day one, and it just lasted the 4 days, except for the fact of me, like I said, doing big twists just to keep it stretched so it didn't shrink when I slept on it, because there is no hold whatsoever. If you don't want to retwist, you probably could band. That probably will work as well. But if you are going to use grease, you can try to get a natural grease like this one. But I would say, you know, it's up to you. I wouldn't recommend it. I would recommend to do something else, just because of the grease content and the buildup that you can get. But I'm not going to say that it can't be done. You see that it can be done. Okay. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and show you 4th day hair. And now that I've done it and use this, I know that I can do it. It did keep the shine. It did dry quickly. So those are pros. So if I needed a quick twist out that dried quickly, that gave me real big, you know, pretty fluffy hair on day one, and only needed it for a couple days, I might try something like this, especially if I just wanted to, you know, carry one product if I was going somewhere or something like that. But I would not make it a habit. So yeah, just kind of wanted to show that you guys, and let me know if you've tried grease before on your hair, what you think about it. Leave it in the comment section below. Everybody can learn from everybody's experience. This is my experience. I don't think it was a bad experience. Glad that I did it. Now I know. Let me know what you think about this twist out, how you think it held up. Leave all that in the comment section below. And now I'm getting ready to go wash my hair. So let me know if you are going to try this. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Oh, if you're interested, these are not the glasses from Hip. These are my older eyeglasses that you guys helped me choose last year from Warby Parker. So just want to let you know that if you like them, you may look at Hip to see if they have something similar, because I do have a discount code for Hip where you save $15 on one pair, $30 on 2 pair. I have no discount code for Warby Parker. So just letting you know that I will try to link these just in case you want to go to Warby Parker, but I don't have a discount code for that. And if you are not sure what I'm talking about, go back to my last two videos where you see I'm wearing some white and or grayish and black glasses, and then you'll know what I'm talking about. But anyway, yeah, just want to let you know that. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like I said, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.